What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and now I do day-to-day vlogs to show you the ins and outs of my business to help either you out, or if you want to start something or you've already started something. And so today we're going to be doing customer orders. We're going to be doing an FBA shipment. I did make a mistake on one of my decals that I put out a week ago. I don't know if you guys remember, it was a couple videos ago. Just go back a few videos. I made a Super B decal for a Dodge Charger, and something went wrong with the cutting machine, and I guess it cut down the middle of the decal. And so I got a message from a customer that said that the driver's side was fine, but the passenger side was messed up. So I got to do a whole nother decal on that. But when you spend almost $100 on a decal, I am gladly able to fix that and reship another one. And it wasn't his fault. And also what was really cool is it wasn't the owner of the car, it was actually a installer. So I'm assuming that he buys these for customers. He's like middlemaning. So that's pretty cool. So gotta go do that. And then I got to the FBA shipment, and then I'll be done. And then we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. Before I get started, if you watched yesterday's video, I'm so sorry that it was a shorter video. I went to a Willie Nelson concert, so I was out all day. I am not feeling too well today, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little hungover. We went and got a little too many drinks at the concert, but it was a Willie Nelson concert. What are you gonna do? Oh, almost just fell and died. So I'm gonna go do this. Oh, and then if you guys don't know, this is Gracie. This is Gracie girl, and she is a white golden retriever. What is a white retriever? Would that be called a white retriever? I don't know, but she's so cute. Look at her. Anyways, let's get to the video. My ADD is through the roof today. We're going to try to get as much as work as we can done today. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, and just so you know, this isn't my dog. My friend's staying with me right now. So got a spot here, and then this is the pup. So anyways, let's get to the video. All right, so we got this working right now. So we have We the People decal. We got all these Bigfoot decals, a couple other decals I had to get out from yesterday, and that big one that I made a mistake. So we're working on that right now. It's very loud. Hopefully one day get a cutter that is a little bit quieter. All right, and then also I have another thing that I did today that I would like to tell you all. Let me know what you think about it. I think it might be a good deal. So I got this printer here. This is the Epson printer. I love this printer. Best printer I've ever had. It's very quick. I got my work done like half the time that I usually did ever since I got on this printer. So I highly recommend it. I contacted Epson today and I'm like, hey, listen, could we set up like a contract or a deal? My YouTube channel is growing. If I were to promote your newest products, if we could have an agreement where I get product and I can show it off to you guys and do an honest review on your product, because I do back Epson. They've killed it with all their EcoTink printers. And so I'm like, I put it out there, so I'm just praying for an email. So I'll let you guys know tomorrow or the next day, depending on when I get another email back, and see what they say. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have like a whole bunch of vinyl that's down here. I know it doesn't look nice, but they don't get wrecked. They're just under here. They're a little dusty. I wipe them off. They're clean. But the way I save money on vinyl is I always had more stuff on a sheet. So let's say for this, for example, I only needed this, right? Well, I didn't need any of these Bigfoots for an order today, but I'm going to create them now so then I can have them later on when I do get an order. So I don't have to there's just so much extra space. I'm wasting so much vinyl. So just add stuff to your cutting sheet, so then you're not wasting any paper or vinyl. So I got a tip for anyone that's starting a business. To be completely honest with all of you, I knew that there was a cut in that vinyl, the piece that I just fixed today. It wasn't bad. And I knew that there would be a chance that the customer would not like that, right? Of course, it had a cut, but you do right. And I didn't do right. And I knew that. And I knew one of the pieces was a little messed up, but I already had made a whole bunch of vinyl and I sent it out because if you didn't notice, because it wasn't that big of a deal. If it was bigger, I would have immediately trashed it and got a new one, but it wasn't as noticeable as I thought, but he noticed, and that's fine. As a business owner, you always make it right no matter what, because that will come back to you in boatloads of clients and reviews because you fixed the problem. So let's say you make a mistake or you knew you messed up and they get away with it. But if they don't, you make it up, you make it right. Whether that's a refund, whether that's sending out another one for free, whether it was even not even your issue and then you just give a discount for the next order, whatever it is, build a good client base. So I made a mistake, I knew it, and now I'm paying up for it, but I'm doing it. And that's the difference between not a good business and a good solid business. So just a tip if you're starting a business, just always do right by the customer and I promise it'll come back tenfold. It's good stuff. All right, I got a question for a coder out there. I don't know if it's possible, but on the user interface on Cricut, they do not have an option where you could find a file if you just type in, like, let's say CPR, because I'm looking for a CPR sticker. It's not popping up the sticker I'm looking for. I'm trying to figure out a way to find a file faster if I've never named the file. I was hoping that at some point they would use AI to find the file by typing it in because it says CPR on the design. And if you go to your MacBook and you type in CPR, it usually pops up what, my CPR stickers and all that. But I was hoping there's maybe an option to either rename the files on Cricut. So I don't know if there's like a aftermarket software you could build, but I will buy that. And I know a lot of other people would buy it as well. So like any coders out there, it's just an idea or a thought. If you are thinking about a new idea, this would be really good for crafters. So think about it. All right, amazing news. I have new cutting mats, so let's go unbox this. All right guys, so I got the 12 by 24 inch cutting mat by HTV Rod. I highly recommend HTV Rod's cutting mats because they are thicker than the Cricut mats that I would get originally. So if you are looking for new Cricut mats, get the HTV Rod. They are a little better quality. Let's go open this baby up. Got a pack of 3 here. Heck yeah. And one more thing, I did get a client order I might do tonight. It is a gloss carbon fiber, and I think I was doing looking at some reviews, and this is one of the best ones. So I'm pretty excited about trying this out. So I'll either make the video today or tomorrow with this. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I am smoked. I just had such a long night. I didn't get to bed till like 1 or 2 o'clock. Got up at 6 for my knee physical therapy, and then I worked for like 2.5 hours at the coffee shop, and then I did this. I tried to take a nap, I couldn't take a nap. So anyways, we have all the orders done. So now I was going to work on the FBA shipment, but I'm freaking exhausted. I know I gotta do it, but I can do it tomorrow when I'm fresh and I have energy. So for now, apologize. I feel like I do this every video where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do an FBA shipment, and then like I never do it. Can't get to it, it's fine. I still ship out from home, but it's nice to bring stuff in. But anyways, let's go over yesterday's revenue and show you how much money we made. All right guys, so unfortunately Amazon's system is shut down right now, so I can't show you my revenue from yesterday, but here's Willie Nelson. I will go over yesterday's revenue tomorrow. I'll just add it into the next video. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to watch me hit 30K in a month. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.